Hi guys, welcome back to demonstrations. I'm sorry it's been a very long time since I have posted a video. It's been a couple months, but it's because I haven't been able to do any church chat videos because it's been winter in my area where I live in Chicago, and inside I haven't been able to think of anything, but now I just thought of something, and it's a very easy boomerang paper airplane. It's about 8 to 10 folds, and it should take about 5 minutes to make. So we're going to start with I'm using pattern papers, custom pattern paper, but I'm starting with like the blank side. For you, if you're using just plain colored paper on both sides, just pick your side and start. If you're using one side white and one side colored, then start on the white side. We are going to fold in half like this. Remember to either rub a coin or your fingernail across to get a nice crease, and open up, and then fold this part here to here all the way down, and crease, and flip the paper over, and you want to fold in half this way now. Just to keep it creased well this way. And now you fold these parts in just like a normal paper airplane. Get these nice folds. And then you should fold this part down, but only pinch here. Just like this. Flip it over and fold the other way. This time completely crease it. Flip it over, and then look carefully. We're gonna open this up and squash it down. Kind of like a water bomb base, if you've heard of that. Like that, and then do the same thing on the other side. And she'll look like this. Then you flip the paper over and do this. Just fold these in. We're almost done. And fold it down. And now fold in half. Just like this. Sorry if you didn't catch that. I did this. Folded it in, put it down, and fold it in half. And now, right here. Sorry if you hear noises in the background. Just my finger. And you fold this down. You want this point to reach here. Just like that. And do the same thing on the other side. And this is a good time. If you have not, please like and subscribe and share with your friends, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos coming up this month. Also, this year, it's Valentine's Day, and if you haven't watched my other How to Fold a Heart Valentine's Day video from last year, you can go watch that right now. I'm going to put a link in the description below. And fold up. Fold the winglets, which are just like this. You want to do that, about that long. That's a pretty good wing right here. And winglet, and the other side as well. And open them out. It looks done, right? Or almost done, but not yet. You want to unfold up those wings, and then this is the last. You want to do this, See this? Fold this, and then this part here should have to bend up to here. And just like that. Unfold. Then you have to like kind of like pull this in here like this. Sorry, because of the pattern you might not be able to see it yet, but now you can see it. There's a little fin right here, and there you have it. It's just about done. Just keep the wing nuts folded and add a little bit of up elevator right here. Just bend them back a little bit, and then remember, for a boomerang plane, if you've ever thrown one before, you should remember to always throw sideways like this, not like this. Like this, not this, okay? And that's pretty much all I have to say, other than like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.